Understanding Apache Spark Architecture. Apache Spark is an open-source distributed computing framework that provides an efficient way to process large datasets across a cluster of machines. It offers a flexible and powerful programming model that supports a wide range of applications, from batch processing to real-time analytics. Spark Cluster. At the heart of Apache Spark architecture lies the concept of a Spark cluster. A Spark cluster is a group of interconnected machines that work together to process data in parallel. Spark Components. Apache Spark is composed of several key components that work together to enable distributed data processing. These components include the Spark driver, which controls the execution of Spark applications, Spark nodes, where data is processed in parallel, and various libraries and modules that facilitate tasks such as data transformations, actions, and job scheduling. Big data processing. Spark is designed to handle large-scale data processing tasks efficiently, making it an ideal choice for big data applications. Spark Programming Model. One of the reasons for Apache Spark's popularity is its intuitive programming model, which allows developers to write complex data processing tasks with ease. Spark's programming model is based on the concept of resilient distributed datasets, RDDs, which are resilient, immutable distributed collections of data that can be transformed and manipulated in parallel. Resilient distributed dataset. Central to Apache Spark's fault tolerance mechanisms is the concept of resilient distributed datasets, RDDs. RDDs are fault-tolerant, parallel collections of data that can be operated on in a distributed manner. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding Apache Spark's architecture is crucial for harnessing the full power of this versatile framework in big data processing.